Boom. Back again, you see me? DJ Dreadbeard.
vybz kartel was like, inna me call can I? No. Me inna me close fitting clocks. Me shoes not cheap like chicken paws.
When you hear me attack, I know my boss me attack, boy. I beenie man, me go suck your mother.
Ja, know which episode on the reach with Lisa Hype. And she not go stopping, okay? So when she go live, back up people over there, and she not used to them something. She not used to get so much numbers on her live and them thing. You see me? But yo, mobo, vybz kartel go collect a mobo tomorrow. And the mobo we ma collect, another one them where people collect every year. You might get a one of a kind mobo where nobody in a Jamaica, no Jamaican never get the mobo yet. So you are the first Jamaican. I'm want to tell you this right now. vybz kartel are going to be the first and many things. First artist, first Jamaican, first and many things. But it are going to unfold in front of our eyes. Bro, our next Jamaican probably not win back the mobo in our lifetime, you know, because you see this impact thing, how heap of people don't play it. Which impact him have? For bleach out him skin, which impact him have? Cake soap, which impact him have? Clocks. Some people are don't play the man impact like another man change how people are DJ right now. The whole genre the man change. Me soon talk about the little genre thing there. That's why me even play the clip when him on Drinks Jump. You see me, but me soon talk about that. But yeah, the mobo or the man secure. No man nago can size up to the mobo like them a go get one too. We know say vybz kartel can get the Grammy next year or the other year, but you see the mobo we don't see no dancehall artist right now where I go get the mobo where vybz kartel I go get. You see me? So him a go be the first and probably the only in our lifetime. So that's why we even say the Grammys mess it up, you see me? Them get it wrong this time because yo, it's a good story. Bob Marley I go always there forget Grammy. When we pass and gone, when we are 100, you see me? Bob Marley still I get Grammy or possibly him get Grammy. So him dead and him still a rule the genre. So and vybz kartel say politics, that's why I'm say politics in the Grammy, so then could have easily well just give him. But mobo understood the assignment. You see me? This mobo, it will put on for vybz kartel. Because a long time the man I do impactful things, you see me? So it put on and I wait for him change. Cause me I tell us if the man they come out guns blazing like what him say pan Drinks Jump. Him not get no visa, him not get no mobo, him not get nominated for no Grammy and them something there. And the haters them, careful what you wish for. Plenty of time I hear no pan panel I say yo, oh him fi be the king of dancehall and him not have no Grammy and him not have no mobo. You don't know why him not have no Grammy and no mobo and you still a say it. You see me? So careful when you wish for. So the man get a mobo you know where no other artist now go can get. You see me? Yo people, wanna like up the video yeah man. 20 likes, 20 or more likes please and thanks.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
vybz kartel was like, inna me call can I? No. Me inna me close fitting clocks. Me shoes not cheap like chicken paws. Right. Check out my Valentina summer shots. Moschino button shirt with the hearts. Fendi glass cost 80 Dutch marks. Me the girl them a pre when me a pass. Would I tell you there? Them have me inna them tarts. Barbara glued and them call her ox. Who is vybz kartel? And them make it recommendation and remarks. Some say me ugly like Bubba Sparks. Some say me are the best them come across. Illegal firearm a fiberglass. Some no rush me with no knife or ass. This plus me equal your life a last. You know, crazy rhymes like that.
Yo, one of my man them were always fool around AI and I put vybz kartel voice on certain lyrics and them something. You know what I want to do? Put Massacre voice. I say where vybz kartel just say right there. So use Massacre voice. I say, you know me car can I? No, you know me close fitting clocks. And tell me if it no sound exactly like Massacre. You see me? You gotta have some troll say, yo, Massacre even sound better. You see me? You know why? You see the Blacker Cartel. You see the flow the way Massacre have right now. At the Blacker Cartel there, where vybz kartel I say, you know me close fitting clocks. At the flow the Massacre have right now. Or me not have to say the exact flow, but I saw vybz kartel used to DJ. Like how you have Massacre a DJ right now. And a Massacre around the genre right now as the new school. And a vybz kartel, all Blacker Cartel can do a Massacre do right now. So that's what I try say then. If you not get it no more complicated. The Blacker Cartel will just sing the song there. Him can run the genre same way with the blacker cartel style. Like, my close fitting clocks. Dog sell whites now, lock off the stove, same thing. You see me? So that is why Vybz Kartel still are the king of the genre, because nobody no have no style where them can use where Vybz Kartel no use already, or where Vybz Kartel can adapt to. So even if them change the style and say trap or anything, so Vybz Kartel go anywhere there, in a trap, are still the 2 syllable rhymes. If you no go a trap and change it, you see me? You no have to go do something out of this world like something like where all weekends I do in a patois. And them something you no have to do for really change the genre from Vybz Kartel, you see me? So that's why I say one of the man will love mess with the AI. Just use Massacre voice pan in my car can I hear if it not sound exactly like Massacre. I'm gonna joke if you no do that right now. It probably trend number 1, you see me? It probably hit. Think a joke. First, dancehall AI, figure number 1.
When you hear me attack, I know my boss me attack, boy. A beenie man, me go suck your mother. That's why the man say, it a tape. Gaza no rape. A beenie man rape me. Beenie man raped me. Since you no want to know. You don't know about me. You don't know who I'm a granny. You don't know my family there. You don't know how I do. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like a kekeke. You don't feel like me and him not deal. Me a asking if you don't feel like me and him not deal. Me and my boss good.
Yeah man, this is what you call a plot twist. So all of the people them been say, yo, she no mad, she a vent. And right now, this is a plot twist because I wanna expect she fi say and who ya expect and ya watch the movie all along and ya enjoy the movie and ya say, yo, me know what gonna happen and ya talk about the movie and ya predict the movie. And she just goes so bam, Beenie Man grape her. And all of a sudden now everybody else say, no sir, she mad. She not have no sense. The girl if you look medication. So make up on your mind, you know. When she talk about Vybz Kartel, you don't believe her. But when she talk about anybody else or on a favorite, it's allegedly. So everything now what she say allegedly, you know. So make up on your mind if she mad or if she just a vent or she just a do this for the clout or whatever Uno did I say she do it for. Make up on your mind because now she say Beenie Man grape her. You see me? And then earlier, I think last week, one woman found out on TikTok and said Beenie Man grape her too. So 2 women this right now. I said Beenie Man grape them do. No, the woman say Beenie Man try grape her. Him hold her in her neck and thing and she have to push him off and come out of the room because she try give him some CD for bus. And so at the second time, this in a 1 month, where I hear Beenie Man name a call upon that. You see me? And people are say allegedly. They must say the woman where came out first. They must say allegedly. Now Lisa I supposed to be the maddest woman in Jamaica right now because the story and the movie go like how you want it to go. And a Beenie Man name you want to call this so and also you predict the movie. You see me? You see this thing where Lisa I do? You not gonna take it serious until she just do what she just do. And it get worse and worse. She go call other people name because I'm telling you, you know, she read the comments them and she understand what the haters them are saying and she understand everything. Yo, me don't know if I fear talent this way. Call people name and put things together, but me sure say something about Shorty, auntie we name Angela and Vybz Kartel they do a song named Dirty Angela. Me there and I say, yo, the girl had chat something where sometimes it makes sense, you know, but you can't say, yo, sometimes it makes sense and one next time you say, it don't make no sense. Because she mad make she really say them things there too. And you know, people know how to mix up the truth to the lie and everything. So more while you say, yo, no, so right, that's a connect. But right, that's a not don't connect. So we wanna say she pregnant for true and a drink and a smoke. And she really go buy herself a BMW. And Vybz Kartel buy her a JLE. We wanna say that makes sense. A true she tell us so where the JLE there, where the Benz there, see me? So you have to just take everything into consideration. Me I gonna say this right across the board. Whether she want to say it about Beenie Man, Vybz Kartel. Anybody who shares the things about, she is crazy. And because she crazy, make sure I say them something here. The normal people now go just say them something here, blurt it out, and 1 minute she say, yo, yeah, I'm a boss. Then one next minute, yeah, diss me. Yeah, diss the man, baby mother. Yeah, you just say some things where sometimes I could have people all manipulate her if say it, but me just say, wanna keep the same energy. Whether she wants to say Vybz Kartel, Beenie Man, she wants to, whosoever name she want call on a favorite name, she want call on somebody wanna hate name, keep the same energy. Is she mad or she venting? Which one of them? Keep the same energy. She can't write with Vybz Kartel and wrong with Beenie Man. And I saw it work. You see me? Either she mad or she just a vent. You can't say allegedly Beenie Man grape her, but then she there on Vybz Kartel, so what she say about Vybz Kartel a facts. She not there on Beenie Man to man artist, you know. Yo, people, we have reached the end, and if you never remember to like the video, now is the time to like it. Give thanks. I'm out.
It a tape. Gaza no.
Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape.